Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Myself Mansu, and in this video you will know how to create a link of any photo. So first you have to open any browser. Like I have I have opened my favorite browser, Chrome. Then you have to type here xp.io. Then enter. Then you will see this type of interface. You have to copy image or drag and drop. Then I'm going to open. I've opened my PC. Then I will go to picture. I will select any picture like I have selected, and sorry, image has opened. You have to drag and drop here. I have drag and drop here, and if you want to crop this image then you can crop also. I'm not going to yes, I should crop it. Then I will crop. Up to this it is okay. Then I will crop and upload. I have cropped and I'm going to upload. Then click here, there. A link has generated. Then if you want to share this photo, then you can copy this link and share. I'm going to check this link, is it working or not. Then I have selected, means copied that link. I have pasted. Is it working or not? Yes, it is working. Yes, the image has opened. So if you liked this video, then hit the like button, and if you are new on my channel, then subscribe my channel. And if you want to share this video, then you can share also. Thank you.